food, some games, some fellowship. Now, enjoying some company. It's going to be the Harvest Festival, actually. Yeah, Harvest Festival. Harvest Festival is coming up. It's going to be October 29th. It's going to be from 5:30 to about 8:30, 9 o'clock. It's family friendly. Invite your peoples, invite your friends to come hang out and spend time with us.
That wasn't enough excitement for you.
Oh.
The very next day, October 30th, in the year of our Lord, 2022, 11 o'clock, 1720, North Walnut Ave, Puente, California, 91740. The lab. Yes, the lab. For you, just you, can come down live in person to St. Stephen Baptist Church and worship with us. You know, now we're thinking, doing something for the young people, but everybody's welcome. So come on down and enjoy.
So this lab, is it a service? Is it a worship service? Is it a gathering? Is it some kind of scientific project? We're gonna learn how to make a volcano. What's this whole lab about?
It's a little bit of all the above. The goal is to provide a space where we can all get into a think tank and process and learn about God, what He has in store for us, how we can be God's servants in God's service, serving God's people within the Reef ministry. All that's within our framework of trying to redefine, equip, and amplify and produce. So all that will be happening and more within the lab. So if you ain't gonna be there, you're supposed to be there, and you should be there, and you want to be there, and make sure you are there.
All right. So it sounds like the reap is going to happen in the lab. All right.
Yep, it's all part of the mixture that you labulating. That's the word.
Labulating.
Just made that one up, but my heart was in the right place.
That's that good old got a preacher's license.
Off the chromosome.
Yeah, once I got that license, I just
make up words.
words.
Outstanding. Well, it sounds like a place to be, no question. Looking forward to that. We'll start off with the harvest on October 30th, or October 29th, I should say, for the harvest, and then October 30th for the lab worship service at 11 o'clock. What about Sunday school?
Well, I was just about to say, before you gave us that wonderful cue, Sunday school is live.
Ooh.
October 30th, we're bringing live, in-person Sunday school back to the campus. And so that's for our children, our youth, our young adults. Sunday school is open.
Outstanding. So come to Sunday school, have a good time in person, and then roll right on into the lab. Good stuff, good stuff.